Let us not grow weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up. Galatians 6:9. You know, there are moments when you just want to quit. When the mountain looks way too high, the road seems too long, and your strength feels a little too small. But child of God, you didn't start this journey to stop here. You didn't begin this fight to give up before the breakthrough. Remember why you started. You started because God planted a dream in your heart. You started because you believed in the promise even when others didn't. You started because, deep down, you knew. God had more for your life. Yes, it's painful. Yes, it's hard. But don't confuse the pain of growth with the lie of defeat. Every trial you face, every tear you've cried, every moment you felt alone, it's shaping you, strengthening you, stretching you for the promise ahead. Jesus didn't quit when the cross stood before him. He endured the suffering, the shame, the weight of the world because of the joy set before him. And now, he walks with you through your own Gethsemane. He knows what it feels like to want the cup to pass. But he also knows what victory looks like after the cross. You say, I'm too tired, but God says, come to me and I will give you rest. You might say, I don't see the results. But God responds, walk by faith, not by sight. And if you're thinking, I can't keep going, the Spirit whispers, my grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness. You weren't made to live average. You were made in the image of a God who never fails. That means you have resurrection power in your spirit. That means quitting is not your destiny. Overcoming is. The enemy would love for you to throw in the towel, but God has too much invested in you to let you stop now. You've come too far. You've prayed too hard. You've sacrificed too much to quit. So rise up, warrior. Hold your head high, push through the pain, because today's struggle is tomorrow's testimony. The tears of today water the seeds of your destiny, and when you finally stand in the place God promised, you'll realize it was all worth it. You didn't quit, you grew stronger, and God was with you every step of the way. Blessed is the one who perseveres under trial, because, having stood the test, that person will receive the crown of life that the Lord has promised. James chapter 1 verse 12.